started this rivalry. Team eVe beating them in the pre-qualifiers. Tompinai Empire, though, doing extremely well in the ESL European Mobile Open, and Team eVe struggling a little bit more in that tournament. So there's already this little rivalry between them, and let's be real here. If Tompinai win this matchup, they are guaranteed, like you said, Woody, one of the tickets, even if it's not the golden one.
This very well could have been a grand finals match for this month, and yet we're seeing it as a privilege just early on in the upper bracket. An opportunity could open up for these two teams to face off again if one of them goes down to the bottom and is victorious over HT Family, but neither one of them wants to be in the deficit position if that were to happen. Because this is a double elimination tournament, the team that wins here right now will hold on to their second life going into the grand finals with the ability to lose and then to come back again still and to face off against the same clan to get the final victory. MecHUO from Tompinai Empire, though, is happy to push forward, rolling that boulder back up the hill against Team eVe with the position of advantage. He's going to try to leverage this Archer Queen right in the core of the base. Invisibility spell protecting her for a little while here. Even though there's no healers to keep her safe, she has really opened up a big wide berth for that battle blimp to roll straight in and get the town hall down.
Yeah, the Unicorn did such an incredible job there on the Queen. There was a lot happening, but he has carved out that area. And one thing I do want to point out as well, Woody, as the Sneaky Goblins take down that Town Hall, he's not using a hero potion or anything, going in with non-max level pets. MecHUO in this type of situation, moving on in and carving out that right-hand side area for the lava loon on the right-hand side. The single target Inferno is a little bit of a concern, but I think he's just going to try and move back to it, get the splash down, and move back across to the single afterwards. We know how good Tompinai Empire are with the lava loon, but that Eagle Artillery, whilst it's frozen, it's still a little while away for the balloons. They're closing on in there now, and it is looking good now with a freeze spell, a rocket balloon, and plenty of time left over. I think he's waiting on the balloons to send them on the outside for cleanup. This is going to further extend Tompinai Empire's lead.
One fun little interaction I picked up on there was a Seeking Air Mine that the Lava Hound ate right as soon as the last defenses were going down. That allows the pups to pop a little bit earlier, guaranteeing that there's enough time for cleanup. And indeed, MecHUO will get the 3-star. Team eVe falling again and again, descending down the stairs as Tompinai Empire are on an ascendant path.